Hey everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and this here is a 3-inch, 3 inches this way, 140-piece sanding disc set for your drill, for your Dremel. You're going to get 2 1/4-inch shanks here. You're going to get this spinning disc here, 140 pieces. So you're going to get 10 each, ranging from 120 grit, right? So 10 of those all the way up to 5,000 grit, 10 of those too. And then you also get a buffer pad, a foam buffing pad as well. You can go ahead and get this in your drill in place, and there you have it, right? So you're going to have that sanding disc right there. You can use your drill, again, use the Dremel, and it comes on and off. This unscrews too, so you can take the shank off, put on the other shank, so you can use it for your Dremel, or you can put the drill piece on, the drill bit one. That's what I use. It locks into place. And again, these just Velcro on. And then also on the back, you'll know which grit you're using because it'll tell you. So 120. Down here, you can see we have the 5,000s in the bottom of the bag. And again, 10 each, so 140 total. This is a phenomenal set that gives you every grit. And again, 140 pieces is a lot, right? So we can go ahead and, do our sandings, do our projects, use your drill to do it. You put that back on, and there you have it. So definitely check it out. Shout out to the company for gifting me this so I could do this review.